Dozer, ready to go to the beach, buddy? I got this week off. Decided to go to the beach for a day with Mr. Doze. Look at him back here. He's just chilling. Just chilling. Ready to go to the beach, Doze? Well, let's hit the beach. Dozer's having a good old time at the beach. Just went out for a walk. Got the Daywalt fan blowing on him. Dozer, you having a good time? So I was flying the drone and I went to land it the about third flight actually. And right as I was landing it on the sunroof, the wind gust came and messed up the landing a little bit. Let me just show you the marks on the windshield. It's kind of funny. So you can barely see the marks, but they're right here. And it slid all the way down to the windshield wipers. But at least it didn't hit the sand. Hallelujah. Dozer is having the time of his life. He's having a good old time. I think he liked the sand. But I have the DeWalt fan back there blowing on him and he's quite comfortable. He's having a good time since he's 14, so he likes to sleep a lot, but he's been pretty awake today. So, thanks for tuning in. And we're gonna go eat at Jack Mackerels here in just a moment. And I'm just gonna get a takeout and eat it in the car with Dozer. And then I gotta go get some Britts Doughnuts. You can't come here without getting Britts Doughnuts. Just got back in the car from Jack Mackerels. Got some takeout. I'll show you that in just a minute so you can see how good it looks, because it's very good. And I'm gonna enjoy my food real quick. Couldn't take Dozer in, so just might as well eat in the car, right? Britts Doughnuts.